Today we're gonna do meatloaf burgers again, but this time we're gonna use beef. And should be good. I'll show you the ingredients. Here we have a half a cup of diced up red onion, half a cup of diced up bell pepper. There's our hamburger. Ignore the word organic. I don't believe in that crap. Ketchup, egg, and beefy onion mix. Oh God, the ketchup's organic too, whatever. So you see the bacon and the Philadelphia cream cheese in the background. That's a whole different thing. But we're gonna get busy and make us a good meal. Those are some messy hands. Whoa. We're gonna let it set for a little bit. For the surprise, that's right, folks. I'm gonna make my version of jalapeno poppers. I'm gonna wrap it with the bacon, but we're gonna fill it with the cheese. Oh, it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. You know why? Because I make them. And I'm telling you right now, they're amazing. They're just perfect. Whatever, so get to it. So I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up. We'll fill them up, wrap them with bacon, throw them in the oven, and bake them at 375 for 20 minutes. That's all it takes. All right. Okay, so there's the peppers cleaned out from the seeds and the membrane. So next is to fill them with Philly cheese. All right, so I have the Philadelphia cream cheese here. I have the jalapenos here. So I'm gonna fill them up. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's like laying brickwork. Flip it right back over. Or if he was in elementary school and you like to eat Elmer's glue, that's what it reminds me of. I love the glue. I ate the glue. Like so. There's cheese inside. And then what I'll do is I'll take bacon and wrap it around. Glue. So all the peppers are filled with cheese. I don't know if you can see me. Filled with cheese. Next step is bacon. So we'll take a pepper. And it's not easy doing it in the truck, but you gotta improvise. Look at that, nice. Oh, it wrapped on me. Get off me. Stupid pork. Wrap it in there really nicely. And then I'll take the pepper. Okay, there's a pan I'm gonna cook with. And I'm gonna set her down just like that. Now look at these beautiful jalapeno bacon wrapped Philly cream cheese filled poppers. Aren't those nice? So I'm gonna hit bake. We'll go to 375. Hit start. Hit my time. 20 minutes. Hit start. It's gonna preheat and then it'll beep and say add food. So it's preheating. The Escort that followed me from Tucson, Arizona to Long Beach is parked behind me, and I plan on making them a nice meal, have dinner with them, saying thanks. Let's add food. All right, so take the tray of these beautiful peppers. It says add food. Food is in there. Hit start. So now it'll start baking. So anyway, just a token of my appreciation for doing a good job keeping the cars off me and everything, getting this 12.5 foot load safely here. I'm gonna make them a good meal. I'm telling you, these poppers are awesome. They're better than breaded poppers at Burger King or anywhere else. Drivers, I'm telling you, you can do this on your own. You just have to quit being lazy. Come up with excuses. It's your body, it's your life. You only die once, okay? try to live to the fullest. Try to lose some weight. That's what I'm doing. For some reason, I'm staying at 280. I don't understand it. Maybe it's a freaking... I don't know. I'm thirsty. Like I said, for some strange reason, I'm staying right at 280. Oh, sorry. Goes right to my thighs. All right, guys. It's been baking for about 4 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do a heat test and let you know what's going on with the interior of the truck. All right, so side feels cool. The interior feels cool. The box, that's hot. I smell that bacon cooking. The top is warm, nothing to worry about. This little shelf right here, this little piece you see right here, that whole thing's a shelf. That's a little bit warm. The back, however, the back is fine too. So like I said, follow the book, the instructions if you get one of these, and give it proper ventilation. Don't put it in an enclosed storage area. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at them little piggies turn. Oh man, it's gonna be good. Yummy, yum, yum. It's almost done. Ooh, that hurts. Hey, think of this, drivers. If you was to do what I'm doing, that'd be cool. I mean, that's the whole point of these videos, to show you that you can do this. You can make your own meal. You can be happier. Anyway, check this out. It smells so good in here. I guarantee you, if you cook your own food and it turns out smelling really good in the truck, you'd have a better night's sleep. Then, because I'm telling you, it'll smell so good in your truck, you'll get a better night's sleep. You'll have dreams of sausage links, jumping in your head. Oh, are you posing? Oh, Bell posing. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. No? Alright, let's check them out. Oh my. Don't those look good? So then what we'll do is we'll take the hamburger meatloaf, I like calling it that, and we'll put them right on that pan and use the bacon grease too. That should make it really good. So yeah. Okay, so hey, we'll be back. Those look good. Alright, so Crystal did 4 patties. So we're putting them in the oven and 375 for, what was it, 35 minutes? Yeah, I think so. So I'll just go ahead and shut that. I'll hit air fry. We'll do 400. And then we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. See what 30 minutes gets us. And she's off. Holy crap, guys. I wish smell-o-vision was a real thing, because I've been out of the truck for a little bit. We got 5 minutes left. I was out of the truck talking to the Escort guy, Pretty cool guy. And I just got back in the truck. As soon as I opened that door, I was just hit with a huge aroma of goodness. Oh my. I can't wait. This is what I'm talking about. This is the whole purpose of cooking with Crowbar. Not only do I set up on my trailer to cook food, I feed other people, and I don't charge a dime. I don't ask for nothing in return. I do it because I enjoy it. All right, it's done, so let's check them out. Don't those look good? Oh my. Sorry, I had to get a fork. Let's try it out. Whoa. Hold on, I need another hand. Can't do this with one hand. All right, so now I got both my hands. So, we'll take this one patty out. See how it looks. Look at it. Oh, it's done. It's done, folks. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know what's
pink on the screen.
Okay, so now I gotta take the rest of them out. And we're gonna do instant mashed potatoes and corn. And then we're gonna have dinner. I'm gonna taste test this. See? That's good. Holy shit, that's good. Okay, so I have peas and corn mixed together in there. We're gonna microwave it. Same unit. Air fried. We baked, air fried, now we're microwaving. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A meal fit for a trucker. Hamburger meatloaf, mashed potatoes with red-eye gravy, jalapeno poppers with bacon, Philadelphia cream cheese, peas and corn. Now I'm gonna take this to the Escort fellow so he can have a meal. Are those good? Yeah. Try that meatloaf burger. It's what? Awesome? Cool. Now that's red-eye gravy on the potatoes.
What's red-eye gravy?
The grease and the fat from the burgers and the pork, and the bacon. That's what you call red-eye gravy. No, it's roadkill possum that I got last week. All right, enjoy. Guys, that's what I'm talking about. Good food goes a long way. Time to go get mine. We don't have a lot of room here, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. I have my plate of dinner right here, right underneath my phone. Crystal's got hers. She's gonna, Bella, get out of the way. Crystal's gonna try hers real quick, give her honest opinion, and I'm gonna try mine. Go.
All right, well, pepper. I don't like jalapenos, so we'll see how this goes.
You gotta get some of that bacon in there too.
That's good.
She was worried about it being hot and all that other crap.
It's a little kick to it, but that's good. And this I know is already good. It smells delicious.
Okay, my turn. So, here's the popper. Yep. Now for the meat. Of course, you guys see me taste test it. But, oh, I got my face right friggin' there.
I did. It's hilarious.
A little bit of red eye gravy on the potatoes, drivers. Alright, so, yeah, this one is really good. So, yeah, if you like what you've seen, leave a like. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and help support the channel. I appreciate y'all. But now I'm done talking. I want to eat.
Shut up and eat.
I know, right? So I want to eat and enjoy my food. I'm not putting Tabasco on this because it'll ruin it, even though I love Tabasco. Yeah, so remember, keep all your rubber on the road, stay in between your lines, and always be kind to each other. That's all we have anymore these days. Yeah, don't text and drive. That's all we got anymore. So until next time, see ya. I'm this time for real. I'm out of here. Y'all, what?